This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knife holders, specifically these magnetic knife holders, and we've got a couple here. We have the Ecotech Sensei 18-inch rectangle wood knife holder, the Metlux 13-inch black knife holder, and the Metlux 18-inch rectangle stainless steel knife holder. There's a lot of nice features to these, and especially the Ecotech wood one. It comes with neodymium magnets and can really securely hold up to 4.5 pounds of knives, making this or any of these other magnetic knife holders a really great way to secure those items like knives, scissors, and spatulas in your kitchen and make them easy and secure while not in use, and also easy to grab whenever you need to. You can see those knives just snap right in place on these, which is fantastic. It's a great way to put your knives up on the wall and have them within reach, and also get them out of your drawers where they can present a safety hazard, and also just clear up some drawer space for you. So it's a safe and convenient way to store those knives and other tools so that they're really easy to reach in your kitchen. It includes the screws and wall mounts for each of these, and that 13-inch black one also includes some great hooks that hang from underneath, meaning you're going to get even more storage space, and you'll be able to hang up some of those other items like spoons and whisks as well. So you've got some great style options between the black, stainless steel, and the wood to fit a variety of different types of kitchens and kitchen setups, especially if you're in a commercial kitchen and you've got an open layout and your area can be seen by your customers. These give you some really nice aesthetic options to really make a pleasing and attractive appearance. So these are a perfect tool for any kitchen, whether that's in a restaurant or a home, and a great way to increase your storage options.